Okay, 2001 Honda Odyssey, second clutch pressure switch. You have to take off the air box and the hose that goes to the intake. All right, and if we go down, you need to remove this bolt here that holds, this bolt here holds the wire harness. So you got to remove that. Once you remove that, you can create space to lift up this wire harness and move it around a bit. And you'll need that space to be able to take off, as you can see here by the light. You can take off this one that I'm pointing to with the screwdriver. And that's the second clutch pressure switch, this one here. So you have space to take off the wire that goes to it, the clip, and then we'll find out what socket that is. But that's the second clutch pressure switch, probably a 22 millimeter. There it is. Took me forever to find it, but you got to take off the air cleaner and the hose that goes to the intake to be able to get to it. I took off the battery box. I don't know that you really need to do that because it's over here, but needed to create space.